Today we're going to be installing an XPEL headlight protection film kit on this 2015 Chevy Suburban. Now, earlier this year, XPEL switched their headlight protection films to a thinner, more durable film. So we're going to show you how to install one of these easily on this Chevy Suburban. So now they come in a roll, just like this. And then there's your film pieces. So there's one of the looks like there's the passenger side there. So we'll probably just cut the pieces that we want to have out here, and then we'll line them up. Okay, so once you cut out the pieces, and now you know that you have the correct size, here you go. There's our driver's side piece. Next step, you need to clean the headlight lens. So I use a bit of our glass cleaner on here to get any of that bug residue, grime. Also, you want to use some of this alcohol solution. So 3-to-1 alcohol ratio mixed with some water to also clean lenses, because you don't want anything left behind on these lenses. So after you've cleaned the headlight lenses, you want to wet the application. Now I like to wear gloves during this process, just so I don't leave any fingerprints behind on the film or the lenses as you're trying to install, because those will be stuck on there. So what you do is just want to wet the surface. Again, peel off the film. You also want to wet the back of the film as well to help it move. So you can slide it into place. There you go. Once you get it where it needs to be, you can use one of these tools. Okay. So now once you get it exactly kind of where you want it to be, you can start using one of these installation tools to help put the XPEL kit on. Now they're not included with these any longer, but it's a good tool just to pick up at your local hardware store or online before you install it. Like the first stage of the install has gone pretty well. We've got a lot of the alcohol and water solution out from beneath. Now we use one of like a hair dryer to help finish the installation and evaporate some of that moisture that's still behind the film. So next, we'll check it out with the installation tool and follow up just to make sure all the edges are nice and clean. Now, if you'll see any some moisture underneath there, just give it maybe a couple days or maybe up to 2 weeks before it completely evaporates. But once you install the film correctly, you're ready to go. Protect your vehicle from rock chips, dings, scratches, and cracks to those expensive headlight lenses when you're on the road. Hope you enjoyed our quick installation video, and follow along on our YouTube channel for California car cover. Whatever we sell, we like to test and tinker with. So if you see it in our catalog, see it on our website, odds are there's a video of us using it or showing you how to use it on our YouTube channel. So follow, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching our video.